Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz, and I'm filming from the second floor window at the Hampton. Oh my God, look at the birds. That's called a mermation. Isn't that exciting? So we're at the Hampton Inn and Suites by Hilton and in Augusta, and I just want to show you the view real fast because it's going to get dark out. Hey, Freedom. All right, guys, look at this. This is very fabulous. So you've got super modern desk area. You guys know I'll be pumping out videos while I'm here, and this will be one of them. And then look, they said that they will replenish these items. They already gave me 2 waters downstairs, and I have 2 more. Pretty exciting. And then we've got the Planters peanuts, and you got your Keurig. I know folks out there are addicted to their coffee, and so am I. And then look, we've got a microwave. I already got the water down there. Has the lemon infused, fruit, and so you get your ice bucket. Huge flat screen TV. Now, Freedom normally doesn't get to watch TV, and you'll see Freedom in a minute. But when we're on vacation, we watch Animal Planet and Discovery Channel. Woo, so exciting. And then I want to show you, so beautiful drapes, and of course you got your shears. And then they've got really nice artwork. Look how beautiful the bed is and the lamp work. Hey, Freedom. And of course, brand new looking carpet and flooring. It's really pretty. And here's our baby Parrot. Hey, Freedom. So I'm going to go unpack the car. We're evacuated from Hilton Head, and we already ran into some folks from the Sun City area. I ran into a lady from Ridgeland, and a lot of people are displaced, and we just don't know. It's not going to be a direct hit or anything, and it was Category 5 when we first started packing up, and it's been downgraded. I haven't seen the weather, of course, in a couple hours. We drove 3.5 hours to get here, and I just want to show you this beautiful bathroom. So check this out. Beautiful flooring. You've got your nice shelving, and I'm trying to stay out of the video. Isn't that funny? Look at the countertop. Look how pretty. Absolutely beautiful. I know we get the little shine there. So pretty countertop. Everything's so super modern. I love it. And then, of course, once you get to my age, 56, it's always good to have a hand bar getting in and out of the shower. And so I'm just overly impressed. I really am. Hey, Freedom. And look, you got this cool, like, barn door type of thing. Okay, so I'm going to go unload the car. We'll pump out this video. Hey, Freedom. And then Freedom and I, we hope to sneak over to Feather Friends Forever in the next 2 days. And maybe Freedom could see all his parrot friends. All right, have a great day.